Okay, this is the cow. I already put the little loop on it. It's paracord. If you can see, I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up here. 6, 7, then 8. I always take the awl. Start off with 1, fold over. Try to do this so we can see. Number 2, number 3. Oh, hold on. Where it's facing. It should be like that. Number 4. And you fold that over to get number 5. Hold on. Stiff leather. It's harder to do. Do that. 6. There's 7. Try to do this backwards and fit it to number 8. Just try to squeeze them, try to even them out a bit. Play around with the awl. Oh, I'm squeezing tight. I'm going to slide the awl out. I'm still holding tight for the needle to slide right through. Might as well do it this way. You could sew it whatever way you want to do. I just do a double loop. Pull a little tight. I always slide it underneath. Same thing with this one. Whatever way you want. I usually tuck them in, but it's just for demonstrations. Demonstrating. Sorry. There's the cow. You squeeze them open a little more. You can even poke a hole right here and put a little piece of cloth or something for a tail if you want. So that's it. Put a little white glue so it doesn't come undone. Trim that off. And there you have it.